Okay, let's see if I marked where we got to yesterday. So, I just have to have a little mark. I don't remember where I'm at. Yeah, okay. So let's start on where am I? Page Tuf Ein Ches, number Bet. I think we went through number Bet, or we just doing it. I didn't do number Gimel and Daled. Where are they? They're actually up above that. So let me just pick this up. It seemed to me that was very clear what he said about the origin of the man, except for one or two things, where he was talking about a gufa and what goes into it, and then he was talking also about the man itself. It was a little confused, but not so much. Let's look at number Gimel, because we didn't do it. Nimsha shetikin klira Yesod shel Nook kolu b'shtei hamshachos. Hamshacha achas shel hadelis b'tzir. So we have this, and I've been thinking about this. Let me just read it on, and then Dela b'tzir b'rishon nimshach lo mizir anpin ba'odor b'achrav. So the first time you get this 22 is coming through the other side. So I'm thinking, well, what is the 22? He made the 22 into a Dalet V'tzir, which are letters, two Vavs and a Yud. Is that what it is, or is it actually 22 individual letters, or you have the Dalet and the the Dalet V'tzir has within it, if you looked inside of it, you would see there's 22 letters inside of it. I'm just a little bit not quite sure of that. So that comes to the V'hamshacha Shniya. There's a second time. So then it comes when Ima comes directly into the Nook, and that brings her the other higher side of the Dalet V'tzir, and as a result of that, she's going to have a womb, and she's going to have a place for the Shephet to come into. Mem Stuma. Shehi Kli Yesod, which is the Kli of the Yesod. So the Mem Stuma is apparently something to that letter itself. Refers to Yesod of the Nook. Number Dalet. So what Dalet said was, I'm not sure. V'zehu Mahalak Acher Echad. So this is one way. Shall kama b'farshim. What is that? What did he say? Shalom dechoben shecharucha heim amochin dema de ben. Right, it's a ma, but it's the female aspect of the ben, of the ma. So the ma is the rucha. Achein yesh shalom do. There are those who say, and the Sada learns this like this, and also in the Ger Shlomo, shecharucha ki amshacha nosefes bilvad hamochin de ma or the ben. That it's either it is the ma and the ben concept, the ma de ben, or else it's something besides that. That's just always giving us an idea. Let's look at number Bet. So he said, so the order in which this Mulcha Rucha is coming, so now we have this concept. What's a Rucha? The Rucha is associated with with Ruach, which is Zeranpen. It develops down from the upper levels, parts of and then ultimately it winds up going into that. That's this rucha. So he says, look in the Eitz Chaim, Shaar Lamed Tes, which is Shaar Tal, Perik, what he said, Perik Yud. The Shorish HaRucha Hu B'das HaElyon Da'atik Yomim HaNikra Radla. So Reisha Delo Isidah. So he says the Shorish of the Rucha is in the Das Elyon of Atik, which is that Das is in the Rosh of Atik, which is the Rosh of the Lo Isidah. The Yasiv al Kruma, this is the Avira that's on top of the Kruma, the Mocha, which is over the Mocha, the Erik Anpen. Then the Gulgalta between his skull and the Mocha Stima, the Erik Anpen. Misham Nimsha, this is this Avira, right? So let me get the words right. If you said that Shehu Bechinas Haku Avira. Yeah, it's the Avira that's in between the Gulgulta and the Muchas Limah. Misham Nimshach El Hamazlos, and there from that place it's able to be mashpia to the Maslos, Shehim Hatikun Ashmini, Bachatikun Yud Gimel, the Diktan, the Erik Anpin. Yesh Bechem Gimel Avayas, the Av, the Yudin, and they have 3 Avayas of the Av, the Yudin, which is number 216. And Misham Nimshach the Das, the Abba, Rabbi Shech Bachush Shem Kavaya, the Av, which is the Vaya of 72. So he said we have this Shefa, these 3 72s, which is a Ryo, which is coming into Nimsham Nimshach the Das, the Abba, Rabbi Shech Shem Kavaya, the Av. And Beradas, the Abba, from now, the Das of Abba, now inside of Abba, it's 10 spheros. Maldas, the Abba, Nimshach, ad the Yesod, the Abba, it goes down into the Yesod of Abba, Chanikra, and the Stiv, Lo Yad, the Ayin. It's the pathway that the eagle cannot see, or does not know. Lo Yad, the Ayin is not known. I guess it means to say that it's very hidden. Misham Yotzech of Nikna be Yesod the Ima, and from the Yesod of Abba, then it ultimately winds up in the Yesod of Ima, but be a Rishon to Abba, the Ima, at the first time that they made. Now, that, I'm not sure what he means by be a Rishona of Abba the Ima. There's all different kinds of or other different things about, sometimes it says that they're in a Yichud Tamidi. So then other here he says this is the first time. So maybe the first time is the first time they came together. But that is what brought them together. The Sheva from these 3 Havayas going into the Abba, which is an Av, and then ultimately going through the Siv, Lo Yada Ayit, and goes very hidden way into the Nukva, into her Yesod. As the Mochin go into Zer Ampen, because which are inside they're clothed inside of the Nai of Ima. Zer Ampen, as Harucha should be Yesod Ima, he takes the Ruach that is in the Yesod of Ima. Now we got from all the way down from the Das, we got from the Das of Atik into Abba, into Ima, into her Yesod, and now it's coming into Zer Ampen. So all of that ruach comes in, and most of it, half of it, goes into the Yesod. The Zun, the first time that it goes into her, then that's how she's going to get that Shefa. And we'll stop here. That's it. Thank you. Have a good Shabbos.